Well, you've raised 30 million in VC funding. What did fundraising teach you about pitching an AI first company versus a typical SaaS or fintech product?
It's different, right? I've seen, so my previous company was, robotics and computer vision and like no mention of revenue for a long time, right? The expectation was this is going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, and then suddenly shoot up.
Long time.
We, solved the tech and we got the regulatory approvals, and now suddenly
Yeah.
everybody needs this thing, and it unlocks the entire market. And so, it's only really the hard ideas that are left, and like the sort of Peter Thiel philosophy, like competition is for losers. Go into something that you really, really understand well, go deep on it, where there's a large market, but it's very difficult to get there. And I think that's the kind of thing that VCs want to bet on. And I never really liked the idea of building some social app or something that's like, and so like, I think first, before you even think about pitching, you have to answer that question, right? Like, why can't someone else do this thing that you're doing? There should be companies that pay for the entire fund. And so I think there's truly something about pitching the big vision and then also showing every single week, how do you out execute potential competition? I think it's all about execution. And so I think a lot of what VCs are trying to evaluate is like, can this person execute? One of the things I emphasize in all of my investor meetings, no matter what, we ship a new version of the product every Monday evening, religiously. There's very little that would stop us from shipping a new version of the product every single Monday. We have a very tight cadence. We have a massive feedback machine that we've built with our clients. That's potentially our only advantage as a company. The fact that we can move really quickly and iterate very quickly.